Hey you guys, let me show you how to make these easy fried gizzards at home. Welcome to Carter's Eat. These have been marinating for one night in Dale's and a little garlic salt. You guys, let me show you how to make crispy fried gizzards at home. Okay, so after they've marinated for a night or a day or 4 hours, we're going to come in with 2 eggs and an egg wash. Season your egg wash. Let me show you how to do this. You guys need to season your egg wash. And then we're going to transition those gizzards that we're marinating right into the egg wash, okay? Get freaky with it. Go ahead and add some hot sauce. Add some hot sauce to that egg wash. Get it nice and spicy. We're even going in with a little bit of pepper, garlic salt, and Nene Eats Cajun seasoning. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. This is going to be epic, guys. This is going to be epic. I guarantee you, you have to try this recipe. Do it just like this. Let me show you how I do it. Do it just like I'm doing it. Simply drop your marinated gizzards right into our egg wash. We're cooked on the stove for about an hour to soften and tenderize. They were washed thoroughly. And now we're dropping them into the wash. You don't know. Maybe you don't know about gizzards. Oh my God. Southern delicacy, tender if you cook them right. Some people brine them in milk as a wash. Oh my God, y'all. Get some gizzards in your life. Look at them. Don't they look delicious? Delicious. Let me show you how we mix them up. Do it just like I'm showing you. Do it just like this. I'm showing you how. Get in there good. Get your hands messy. If you ain't seasoned, it ain't seasoned. It's good. Put it on medium. The heat. See, do you see my hands? My daughter's hand, she's saying thumbs it up. So I need you to thumbs it up, like, comment, and share. I want you to try this recipe at home. This is Carter's Eats Easy at Home Fried Gizzards. Okay, you guys, let me show you what we're going to do next. We're going in with some Nene Eats Cajun seasoning to give it some good spice and flavor. Again, it's been marinating overnight in our Dale seasoning. Here at Carter's Eat, by now you know we like to use unbleached flour, just a little healthier of the breadings. Again, after it comes out the egg wash, just drop it right into our seasoned flour with a little bit of starch. Do it just like I'm showing you. You guys can do it just like I'm doing it. Here at Carter's Eat, be sure to go ahead and subscribe. And in the comments, let me know where you're from. We want to get to know you. We want to know where you're watching this video from. Like I'm doing here, do it just like I'm showing you here. Massage that egg wash into those gizzards, and we're getting ready to drop it right into our breading. We're going to dredge it in our unbleached flour and our cornstarch to get it good and crispy. Do it just like I'm telling you guys. Listen, whenever we fry here at Carter's Eat, we always put your breaded meat into the freezer to get it extra crispy, whether it be chicken, shrimp, whatever. Gizzards, oysters, put anything you fry into the freezer. You'll thank me later. Do just what I'm telling you. So mix it up good and thumbs it up. And I hope you're having a good day, a great day, a better day now that you're visiting us here at Carter's Eat. And I hope you had a great week. Come on, you guys. Thumbs up the video and share it out. Share it out. Carterians, it's freezer time. Then it's fry time. Let's do it. Let's do it. This is going to be epic. Let's get some fried gizzards going, family. Thumbs it up and subscribe. Then we'll start frying. Have you subscribed? All right, we're frying, so that means you've subscribed. And just type in Jesse Jackson. Yeah. What, Kira? Is Blake watching it? Mama first, a wife second, a God-fearing child third. Or maybe in reverse order. But if you hear me talking to the kids, it's because I'm a mama, okay? And they're in the background, so I usually have to do a voiceover. All right, y'all, those gizzards are down, and they're looking delicious, don't you think? Do it just like this. Get your grease good and hot. And thumbs it up. Crispy and pretty. Yes, they are crispy and pretty. Be sure to thumbs up the video and do just like I told you in this video, and your gizzards will come out just as delicious. You have to do this recipe just like I showed you, but just like this recipe. Do it, and you won't be disappointed. Look at them. Shake your pan. Wow, here they are. Crispy, tender, delicious. Carter's Eats fried gizzards at home. Make them.
To be supervised, do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champ.